Acts. This segment in every module provides you with all the relevant acts. If it is income tax, you can select the year of amendment by the Finance Act and refer to it. Once filtered, you have a list of sections to choose from. To check the amendments made in the Income Tax Act section over the years, you can click on List of Amendments, and this will list all the amendments made in this section since 1961. It helps you understand the context and the government's reasoning behind each and every amendment made. With more titles such as commentary containing Taxmann's breakdown of the amendment, its reasoning, and its foreseeable impact. Compare provides you with a comparison before and after the amendment. To access all the relevant documents connected to a particular section, you can go on and click on See More. Cases, circulars, notifications, articles, and rules.